to play pass the sword. Once you come off the top of the lift hill, you cannot start till you go down the drop. You're going to pass it behind you, one row at a time. If you lose it, no more ERT to the person who drops it.
Oh. What are we playing?
Pass the sword!
Pass the sword! Pass the sword! And here goes the sword! Pass it! Oh! Pass the sword! Here it comes! Sword's coming back! Oh, sword! Pass it! Pass it! Oh my God! Whee! Oh! Steve's got it! Oh man! Get back! Oh! There it goes! Sword in the tunnel! Wait, that sounded dirty. Woo! Bring it back! Bring it back! Bring it back! Oh, we can do this! Airtime hill sword! Woo!
Come on!
One more! We can do it! Faster, 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 pass it! Before we hit the brakes! Before we hit the brakes! We did it!